You sit down, ready to focus, but distractions hit instantly. Your phone buzzes, emails pop up, your mind races with to-dos. It's like your brain is a crowded train station, thoughts jostling for space, leaving you scattered and exhausted. This constant mental noise is the reality of modern life, with our brains overwhelmed by endless information. We crave a way to quiet the chatter and reclaim focus. Many turn to meditation or digital detoxes, but there's a simpler tool gaining attention: sound. Specifically, a type of auditory illusion called binaural beats, which promises to guide the brain into a calmer, more focused state. Imagine tuning your brain like a radio, shifting from anxiety to calm alertness, all through listening. This is the intriguing promise of binaural beats, using sound to restore balance to our overwhelmed minds. So, what are binaural beats? It's a simple auditory illusion. With stereo headphones, each ear hears a slightly different frequency, say 200 Hz in one ear, 208 Hz in the other. Your brain creates a third phantom beat at the difference, here 8 Hz. This isn't an external sound, it's generated inside your head. The process, called brainwave entrainment, nudges your brain's electrical activity to sync with the beat. Different brainwave frequencies link to different mental states. Beta for alertness, delta for deep sleep. By presenting a specific binaural beat, you can encourage your brain to shift into a desired state, like focus or relaxation. It's an automatic response. Your brain fills in the gap, creating a rhythmic perception. This is biohacking with sound, using a simple trick to influence consciousness. The hope: guide your mind into a state that matches your goals, whether that's deep focus or calm. Why is 8 Hz special? It sits at the border of alpha, relaxed alertness, and theta, deep relaxation brainwaves. This alpha-theta bridge is prized for calm focus, creativity, and light meditation. Alpha waves bring peaceful readiness, theta waves creativity and intuition. Listening to an 8 Hz binaural beat aims to blend these benefits, calm awareness with creative depth. It's popular for studying, writing, or creative work, guiding you into a balanced flow state. Not too sleepy, not too alert, just deeply absorbed and relaxed. The 8 Hz beat acts as a guide, pointing your brain toward this productive mental space. What does science say about binaural beats? The evidence is promising but mixed. Some studies show alpha range beats can boost attention and memory. Others find theta beats reduce anxiety. EEG scans sometimes reveal the brain syncing to the beat, supporting subjective reports of focus or relaxation. But not all studies agree. Some find no difference compared to other calming sounds. Many studies are small or rely on self-reports, so skepticism is healthy. Interestingly, combining binaural beats with mindfulness or breathing exercises seems to enhance the effect. The beats may work best as a support tool, not a magic fix. Used alongside other practices, they can help guide the brain into a receptive state. Think of binaural beats as an aid within a broader approach to mental well-being. Despite ongoing debate, many people use 8 Hz binaural beats and report real benefits. The most common: improved focus and concentration. Students, writers, and artists say it helps them enter a flow state and block distractions. Others report reduced stress and anxiety, describing a wave of relaxation after just a few minutes of listening. Some find it helps them unwind after a stressful day or manage anxious moments. Improved sleep is another benefit. 8 Hz can help quiet a racing mind before bed, making it easier to fall asleep. For meditation, the sound provides a helpful focal point, deepening the experience. Creatives say it helps them tap into intuition and silence their inner critic. For many, 8 Hz is a bridge to focus, calm, and creativity. Curious to try 8 Hz binaural beats? It's easy and safe. All you need is a pair of stereo headphones, earbuds or over-ear, as long as each ear gets a separate channel. Find an 8 Hz track on YouTube, Spotify, or a mindfulness app. Choose one that feels pleasant and lasts at least 10-15 minutes. Settle into a quiet, comfortable spot, turn off notifications and put on your headphones. Close your eyes, start the track, and keep the volume comfortable. Let yourself relax, no need to force anything. You can focus on your breath or just listen. If your mind wanders, gently return to the sound. The goal isn't instant enlightenment, but to notice any subtle shifts in how you feel. Pay attention to your mind and body, see what changes. So should you try it? Given how simple and safe it is, why not experiment for yourself? Binaural beats aren't a cure-all, and effects vary. Some feel a big shift, others just a subtle calm, and some nothing at all. The only way to know is to try. Approach it with curiosity, not expectation. Set aside 15 minutes, listen, and observe. Try it a few times at different times or moods. to see what works for you. You're both the scientist and the subject in this experiment. Tools like 8 Hz binaural beats are just one way to explore a calmer, more focused mind. So find a quiet corner, press play, and see what your mind discovers.